Good afternoon, everybody. West Shore Marine Service and Repair. We're back at it again. The final thing I needed to do with this ox66 250 Yamaha was the steering. One way you can check if you have stiff steering, obviously this has a very old system. As you can see, very old hydraulic system, early 2000s. If you want to check the steering to make sure that your swivel bracket is not the culprit, then what you'll do is you'll take your hydraulic system off. See how it's free? I don't have the steering arm on there at all. You should be able to take your motor one-handed and be able to push it back and forth, okay? That will tell you if it's either the swivel bracket side, the motor, the grease is stiff in here because it hasn't been greased over the years, or it's the boat side. That's how you eliminate that real quick. Anyways, in our operation and job at hand today there was not enough grease in here, and this was very stiff. So what I like to do is down here, because a lot of times the O-ring, the grease likes to bypass this O-ring that's down here. So what I do is I put heavy duty duct tape and I put a clamp down here just to slow it down. Well, I was heating this up with a torch. As you can see, I have my torch, mobile torch out here. The grease was not making it up here. If that's the case, then you have to go to plan B, because you can heat this up as much as possible and get that grease loose. This did loosen up, and it was freely, but I was not having grease up here. It was loose because I got it up to 300 degrees and everything was, hot, and, even cooled down. It still wanted to move, but I wanted grease up here. So to achieve that real quick, guys, this is a 1/4 by 28 nipple. Unfortunately, this is not stainless steel, but at this point, this is a 2001. I know this is an M6 by 1.0, which is stainless steel. This is okay because this is gonna have grease on it with a cap, like a little grommet cap on there, right? So what you wanna do is you want to have a flat bottom tap like this, 1/4 by 28. The drill bit that you will need is a number 3. A number 3 is equivalent to like a 7/32. After you drill that out, don't go too far because you'll start hitting the shaft that it actually swivels on. Just go enough where you get to the shaft, bottom out, stop, and then tap it out, and then put this in there, and then you'll be able to pump grease in there. Make sure you put some thread locker on these threads in here. I put blue. You can put red on there. It's your call. It's not really coming out ever. Not at this age of the game. This is a 2001. Now, as you guys can see, it is loosened up completely. I can spin this around one-handed, and it's good to go. It's back to the original performance that coming out of factory. So what you do is you'll just paint that back over. I had obviously heated it up, and then I drilled that out and tapped that out. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you guys have any questions, comment or personally message me, and go from there. So you guys take care. Merry Christmas. West Shore Marine Service and Repair. We're out.